Did you know that drivers in Japan consistently achieve up to 30 to 50% better fuel economy compared to average drivers worldwide? The shocking truth is, they don't rely on expensive fuel additives or special engines alone. Instead, they follow extremely disciplined driving habits and maintenance routines that dramatically reduce fuel consumption. Today, we are going to uncover 11 powerful Japanese tricks that will make you save up to 50% on fuel. Stick until the end, because I will also share a $2 trick that alone can improve your car's fuel economy over 10%. Let's dive in. Trick number 11. Proper fuel selection. Proper fuel selection is a critical yet widely misunderstood factor in fuel efficiency. And Japanese drivers follow manufacturer recommendations very strictly. Many people believe that using higher octane fuel will automatically improve performance and fuel economy. But in reality, if your engine is not designed for high octane fuel, you gain nothing except higher fuel costs. On the other hand, using lower quality or incorrect fuel can lead to poor combustion, reduced power, and increased fuel consumption. Japanese drivers ensure they use the exact fuel grade specified for their engine, allowing optimal ignition timing and efficient energy release. This ensures that every drop of fuel is used effectively, maximizing mileage and minimizing waste. In some cases, using the correct fuel can improve efficiency by 3 to 5% compared to mismatched fuel types. The key takeaway is simple. The best fuel for your car is not the most expensive one. It's the right one.
Trick number 10.
The cold start penalty. One of the most overlooked fuel-wasting factors is what experts call the cold start penalty. And Japanese drivers are extremely careful about it. When you start a cold engine, it runs in a richer fuel mixture, meaning it injects extra fuel to stabilize combustion because the engine has not reached optimal temperature yet. Studies show that during the first few minutes after startup, fuel consumption can be up to 2 to 3 times higher than normal operating conditions. This is why frequent short trips are so inefficient that your engine never gets the chance to warm up and operate efficiently. Japanese drivers try to combine errands into one longer trip instead of multiple short drives, which can improve fuel efficiency by 10 to 20% over time. They also avoid excessive idling during warm-up, as modern engines heat up faster when driven gently. This method not only saves fuel, but also reduces engine wear caused by incomplete combustion and carbon buildup during cold operation.
Trick number 9.
Shaken inspection. In Japan, maintaining a car is not optional. It's a strict requirement enforced by systems like the Shaken. This inspection ensures that vehicles operate at peak efficiency, and the results are remarkable. Studies show that underinflated tires alone can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 5%, while a clogged air filter can decrease it by another 10%. Old engine oil increases internal friction, forcing the engine to burn more fuel to produce the same power. Japanese drivers regularly check tire pressure, replace filters, and use manufacturer-recommended oil grades to maintain optimal performance. In fact, properly maintained vehicles can achieve up to 15% better fuel economy compared to neglected ones. This culture of preventive maintenance ensures that engines run smoothly, combustion remains efficient, and no energy is wasted. It is one of the key reasons why Japanese cars are known for their exceptional reliability and fuel efficiency worldwide.
Trick number 8.
The steady speed rule. One of the most disciplined habits you will notice among drivers in Japan is their obsession with maintaining a steady speed. Unlike aggressive drivers who constantly fluctuate between acceleration and braking, Japanese drivers aim to keep their speed as consistent as possible, especially on highways. According to automotive efficiency studies, frequent speed changes can increase fuel consumption by up to 30%, because every acceleration requires additional fuel injection. When you maintain a constant speed, your engine operates in its most efficient load range that reduces unnecessary fuel burn. This is why features like cruise control are widely used, not for comfort, but for efficiency. Even small speed variations of 10 to 15 kilometers per hour can significantly impact fuel economy over long distances. By stabilizing speed, drivers reduce engine strain, improve combustion consistency, and maximize every drop of fuel. Trick number 7. The air conditioning strategy. Here is something most drivers don't realize. Your air conditioning settings can increase fuel consumption by up to 10 to 25%. In Japan, drivers use a very calculated approach to climate control. Instead of blasting the AC at maximum power, they gradually cool the cabin and maintain a moderate temperature. At lower speeds, many drivers prefer natural ventilation, while at higher speeds, they use AC efficiently to avoid aerodynamic drag caused by open windows. Research shows that driving with windows open at highway speeds can increase drag and reduce fuel efficiency by up to 8%. Japanese drivers balance these factors carefully, using AC only when necessary and avoiding extreme settings. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces load on the engine and compressor system. Over a year, smart AC usage alone can save a noticeable amount of fuel, especially in hot climates. Trick number 6. Using high-quality engine oil. One of the most underrated Japanese fuel-saving strategies is using high-quality engine oil, and it plays a much bigger role than most drivers realize. Inside your engine, dozens of metal components are constantly moving at high speed, and poor quality or degraded oil increases friction between these parts. This added friction forces the engine to work harder, which directly increases fuel consumption. Studies in automotive engineering show that using the correct low-viscosity, high-quality oil can improve fuel efficiency by 2 to 5%, which may sound small, but adds up significantly over time. Clean oil also improves heat dissipation, reduces engine wear, and prevents sludge buildup that can restrict performance. Trick number 5. Egg under the pedal. One of the most famous Japanese eco-driving techniques is called the egg under the pedal method, and it perfectly describes how gently you should treat your accelerator. Imagine there is a raw egg placed under your gas pedal. If you press too hard, you will crush it. This mindset trains drivers to apply extremely smooth and controlled throttle input, avoiding sudden acceleration spikes that burn excessive fuel. Studies show that aggressive throttle usage can increase fuel consumption by up to 40%, especially in urban driving. By keeping acceleration smooth and gradual, the engine operates in its most efficient range, reducing unnecessary fuel injection. This technique also improves passenger comfort, reduces drivetrain stress, and enhances overall control of the vehicle. Over time, mastering this method can significantly improve fuel economy without sacrificing driving speed. It's all about how you get there, not how fast you go. Trick number 3. The coasting mindset. Another powerful Japanese technique is mastering the art of coasting. Drivers in Japan are constantly scanning the road ahead, anticipating traffic lights, congestion, and stops well in advance. Rather than accelerating and braking repeatedly, this technique works because modern engines cut fuel injection completely when coasting in gear. That is a concept known as deceleration fuel cutoff. According to efficiency tests conducted in Japan, coasting can reduce fuel usage by up to 20% in city driving. It also reduces brake wear, which is why Japanese cars often have longer-lasting brake components. This is not about driving slower, it's about driving smarter. By maintaining momentum and minimizing unnecessary braking, you are essentially using physics to your advantage instead of fighting against it. Trick number 1. The idle stop discipline. If you've ever visited Japan, you will notice something unusual. Drivers don't let their engines idle unnecessarily. In fact, many cars in Japan are equipped with automatic start-stop systems, especially models from Toyota and Honda. But even without this technology, drivers manually switch off their engines at long signals or during extended stops. Because idling for just 10 minutes a day can waste over 15 gallons of fuel per year. Japanese studies suggest that cutting idle time can improve overall fuel efficiency by up to 10%. It may not sound like much, but when combined with other techniques, it adds up significantly. This discipline also reduces emissions, which is a major reason why Japanese cities maintain relatively better air quality compared to many urban centers worldwide. The key idea is simple. A smoother running engine burns fuel more efficiently, and high-quality oil is what makes that possible. That's all for this video. When you combine all these Japanese methods, you are not just saving a little fuel. You could realistically cut your fuel costs by up to 50% over time. And the best part is, these methods don't require expensive modifications or new cars, just smarter driving habits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to fuel up your driving knowledge. And tell me in the comments, how much fuel do you think you can save using these methods?